You want some retro look? Want to have that 1960s, 70s wala feeling? Here to help you. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Strengths for You. This video is going to be really short because I'm quickly going to give you some really tiny, small steps to make a sari which will actually help you to have the 1960s, 70s wala look, which is completely retro style. Or if you're heading to some kind of functions or festivals where the dress code is retro, you can always give this look a try. But with that, you need proper makeup. And I'm very bad at makeup, so don't rely on me for that. You should really rely on some beauty people, beauty vloggers. Yeah, notice that. So number one, what you have to do is you have to take either chiffon ka kapda or you have to take georgette. I would prefer chiffon here over the georgette. And number two, you have to take lace ka kapda. Now there are so many types of lace. You know the lace that has big width, lace with small widths. But I would actually ask you to take your small widths because chiffon won't be able to handle such heavy weight lace. Lace pattis are very much heavy, fat, so you actually cannot put it, and you know the plates will have problems, so many chaos. So just avoid the big ones and take the tiny small ones. And I would ask you to take some bright color. In my case, I have taken deep pink, but in your case, you're free to take any color, deep blue, light blue, any. Like take white lace and take any color, like literally any color chiffon ka kapda, and you know how much. What? You don't know? Okay, I'll tell you, it's 5.5 meters. Make sure you take 5.5 meter ka length wala kapda and at least 44 centimeter ka width wala kapda. And now, very simple step, like really very simple thing you have to do. Just take the kapda, take the patti, just join them and make it into a sari. Tan -ta -da, ta -da. So I have taken this kapda. This is a pure chiffon, and this is the lace that I have taken, and I have put it in the entire sari. That's it. It is that simple. Just see. Isn't it beautiful? Of course, you know the pattern. I'll show you the entire sari. What are you expecting? That I will not show you? ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. अरे यार, हाँ, मैं तुमको पहना के भी दिखाऊंगी. Don't worry. See, this portion will go empty. This patti you should take 9 meters. Remember, the patti for whichever sari, whatever patti you are taking, it should be 9 meters, not less than 9 meters, okay? And here we go. So I'll wear it and I'll show you. But before that, I can give you some options for the blouse pieces. Option number one, you can always wear a lace blouse. Like for me, I always take a lace blouse with this sari. Number two, never wear a cotton blouse with this. Never wear a cotton blouse with this chiffon sari. It will not look good. Number three, you can wear a white silk blouse with, you know, pink motifs. I'm saying pink because I have taken this pink kapda. But if you are taking any other color kapda, you can have motifs or prints or animal print or any kind of print, you know. Or flowery print will actually take you to the retro part, you know. White silk ka kapda with some print on it of the color of the sari that you are wearing. And point number four, if you are comfortable, then make it sleeveless. Sleeveless will actually give you that retro look.